Alright, so if your dryer is making this sound, and it sounds like you're ready to throw it out, alright, so it sounds like this thing is gonna just like completely come apart. In case with these newer dryers, let me go ahead and turn the plastic on the inside for you. Alright, turn my flash on to give you a better view here. But what goes on is, it sounds like the sound will sound like it's coming from the back of the dryer. And if you look, you can see the change getting stuck in there, and you may be able to use your finger and pull it out. If you can't, just grab your little screwdriver, pull it out, go around it, make sure you get it all. Alright, once we got that, just go back out here and turn this thing on. And the noise is gone.